Alright, today's lesson is over dishonored checks in electronic banking. So the three objectives today are complete record keeping for dishonored check, journalize an electronic funds transfer, journalize a debit card transaction. The subs should have handed out your note sheets. You should also have your 5-3 work together from yesterday. It was on the back of 5-2. Alright, recording a dishonored check on the check stub. Okay, dishonored checks are checks that the bank refuses to pay. So it could be for multiple reasons, like there's non-sufficient funds, a check dishonored by the bank because of insufficient funds in the account of the maker. The non-sufficient funds check is also known as an NSF check, which means non-sufficient funds. There's other reasons for dishonored checks. Somebody else could have canceled the check, meaning they called in and said to stop payment on that check. There's no funds in the account. Other reasons could be honest, but it's a be dishonored check. Okay, so first thing you're going to record the dishonored check on the check stub, very similar to how we did a service charge. So if you notice here, you're going to write dishonored check, write the amount, 225, and obviously we're going to subtract it. Okay, now you also have to journalize a dishonored check. Just like a service charge, we have to journalize a dishonored check. So journalizing a dishonored check, you're going to receive notice from the bank of a dishonored check from Valley Landscaping, $185. Plus there's a $40 fee for a total of $225, memorandum number 52. So that means accounts receivable Valley Landscaping is going to owe you $225 more. That means you're going to charge them that $40 extra fee that their check came back on, because you have to pay that fee. So accounts receivable Valley Landscaping M52, $225. That means they're going to have to pay that much more money. Okay, write your credit, which is cash, because it's charging your account, $225, and the source document, which is M52. Alright, that's dishonored check. Very similar service charge, except for that sometimes there's a fee with it. Journalizing electronic funds transfer, an EFT. Okay, electronic funds transfers are computerized cash payment system that transfers funds without the use of checks or currency or other paper documents. Paid cash on account to Munich Enterprises, $380 using EFT memorandum number 18. Accounts payable is going to go down. Cash is going to go down. So what's going on is you're paying cash on account. You're just not paying with a check. You're paying with an EFT, electronic funds transfer. It's a memorandum. So accounts payable, Munich Enterprises, cash, $380, $380. So same thing we've always done. Date, debit, credit, and document number. Okay, debit card transactions. Not many companies have them, but sometimes they do. A bank card that automatically deducts the amount of a purchase from a checking account of a cardholder is called a debit card. Same type of thing. Purchase supplies, $75 using a debit card, memorandum number 21. So supplies is going to go up, cash is going to go down. Notice that you don't write like a debit card for the document number. It's always a memorandum. So memorandum number 21. So same thing, date, supplies, cash is your credit, and document number is M21. Very similar. You've done all of these except for the dishonored check before. You just haven't having memorandum numbers. So instead of using a check, you have a debit card or you have an EFT, which is electronic funds transfer. Alright, let's now get out your work together. And if you need to pause, that's fine. Alright, so page 139. In your books, August 18th, you received notice from the bank of a dishonored check from Christine Iverson, $126, plus $25 fee for a total of $151, memorandum number 312. Okay, August 18th. So since they paid us and it bounced, okay, or something happened, so it didn't go through. We don't get that money, so now they charge us a fee. August 18th, accounts receivable, Christine Iverson. M312, 151. Cash, 151. Don't forget to put your page number up here, 15. Paid cash on account to Schwartz Enterprises, $270 using EFT memorandum number 313. Okay, Schwartz Enterprises probably accounts payable. So accounts payable, Schwartz Enterprise, M313, 270. Cash, $270. Purchase supplies, $62 using a debit card, memorandum number 314. 21st, supplies and cash, M314, $62. Once again, these two you have already done before. This one's a little bit different because it's a dishonored check. But basically, we have to add it back to cash because they charge us money. Alright, you're now going to do on your own, and I will see you guys tomorrow.